The struggle of staring at two identical white boxes on a shelf, wondering if that extra cash actually buys you a better experience, or just a fancier sticker. That is exactly the puzzle people face with these latest smart projectors. On the surface, they look like twins. But once you dim the lights, the gap between them starts to feel like a canyon. Let's talk about the base model. It is built for the person who just wants the basics done right. It delivers sharp visuals and solid resolution, but it is very picky about where it lives. You need a dark room, a truly dark room. Any stray light from a hallway or a window is going to wash out those colors. It is a great entry point for someone who treats a projector as a special treat. Maybe for a backyard movie night or a rainy Sunday. It is simple, it is honest, and it does not try to be something it is not. But then you look at the professional version. This is where things get interesting for the serious home theater enthusiast. The first thing you notice is the punch. The brightness is significantly higher, which means you do not have to live in a cave to enjoy a show. It cuts through the shadows with much more authority. But the real magic is in the intelligence. This version has eyes. It uses sensors to scan your wall in real time. If there is a painting or a shelf in the way, it does not care. It automatically shrinks and shifts the image to find the perfect blank spot. It even squares itself up. No more tilting the device and hoping the corners look right. It just works, and we cannot ignore the sound. The base unit sounds fine for what it is, but the advanced model brings in professional audio processing, the kind of sound that moves around you, making the room feel twice as large as it actually is. You get that deep, resonating bass and clear dialogue that makes you forget you are sitting in your living room. If you are the type of person who wants a set it and forget it experience, the professional version is the only way to go. It takes the stress out of the setup. For the budget-conscious user, the standard model is a fantastic way to get a massive screen without breaking the bank. It requires a bit more effort, a bit more manual adjustment, and a lot more darkness, but it delivers the core experience without the fluff. Choosing between them comes down to how often you plan to use it. For a casual user, the savings on the base model are hard to ignore. But for a daily driver, those smart features in the professional unit save you so much time and frustration. It is the difference between a manual transmission and an automatic. Both will get you to your destination, but one makes the journey a whole lot smoother. It is about the value of your time and the quality of your evenings. If you want that cinema feel without the cinema hassle, the choice is clear. Focus on the high-end features for a permanent setup. Keep it simple for the occasional flip on the wall. Every detail matters when you are building your sanctuary. You want something that complements your life, not something that adds another chore to your list. The high-end version feels like a finished product, while the base model feels like a starting point. Both have their place, but once you experience the convenience of auto alignment, it is very hard to go back to the old way of doing things. Take a look at your room, check your lighting, and decide if you want to be the projectionist or just the audience member enjoying the show. The right choice is the one that lets you stop worrying about the gear and start getting lost in the story.